Knowledge of dash helps scientists for data analysis. Statistics. Proportion means to join two equal ratios by the sign. Equality. A scientific law or principle is an infutable. Theory. Ratio may be expressed by option C. Which step in biological method includes the use of if-then logic? Deduction. Man always remained a biologist. A.F.A. King listed observations as 20 times. The information such as names and values made from observation and experiments called data. Who read the works of other naturalistic to form his theory of evaluation. Darwin. In the biological method, the next step to hypothesis is deduction. In mosquitoes, the plasmodium multiplies in stomach. Dengue fever is spread by Aedes mosquito. The effective drug for treating malaria is quinine. Quinine was effective remedy for malaria.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe.